My name is Charles Brawley. I'm the creator of the Minuteman Files. I'm also the creator of the Zodiac Kill Map. I am a representative of the state of California as a U.S. Army National Guard. I am also a representative of the Trump team here in California at one of the highest levels. And I'm here to talk to you about the pet section of the Craigslist today and many other websites out there. There is a serious problem in California with the animal control in the state of California basically extorting, terrorizing, and threatening American citizens for rehoming their pets. And they're doing it on the Craigslist. Okay, these people are committing straight up terrorism. I put this before Donald Trump once before, about 3-4 years ago, when we were personally attacked by people on the Craigslist. And only to find out that these people that are doing these terrorism acts online are Petco, PetSmart, all the local animal shelters, corgi shelters, the state shelters, Riverside County shelters, especially Palm Springs, DeVore, San Bernardino, the Animal Action League. All these people are engaged in full-blown terrorism on the internet to extort pet fees and to threaten and terrorize anybody who posts a pet online for sale. Okay? I'm proposing a brand new law that puts these criminals in jail, that makes it a federal offense for any employee of Petco, any pet store, all shelters statewide, including privately owned, state-owned, and government-owned. We want to make it a federal law for these people to use the internet for any reason. Okay? We don't want these people online terrorizing pet rehomers. There are millions of people out there with pets that are being terrorized by these people online. These people are eliminating pet sales in California, not allowing homeowners, pet owners, to rehome their pets without being terrorized and extorted for pet fees by the state of California and animal control. This needs to stop. These people need to be thrown in jail, they need to be held accountable, and we need new laws that protect American citizens from these people. We wanted a federal offense for any animal control agent to stalk and harass you from the internet, from any ad you posted online. Yes, if you're a criminal out there and you're breaking and abusing animals, I can see animal control using, the internet to catch you. But these people have pushed their luck. They have gone beyond criminal acts. These people are straight up into full-blown terrorism and extortion. And I have the proof. I have been documenting this crap for like 10 years now through my Google account. Okay, these people attacked my Contact Bigfoot's account on Gmail on the Craigslist. They stalked our family for 10 years plus. I want to say about 15 years to be more exact. And it wasn't only in the pet section. It didn't seem to matter what we posted from this account. There was an individual Craigslist employee out there that had targeted and flagged our account. And every single time we posted anything, this person would deliberately delay our ad from going online so they could view it and then post their opinion about what we're doing. And they turned us basically into an online criminal. And we never did anything wrong except post our animals. These people started calling us at all hours of the night. They started threatening us. They started sending animal control illegally to our house. They started sending cops. They made terrorist threats to murder us. These people, whoever this person was, did this shit for 10 years. And I finally caught their ass 2 days ago on the Craigslist. And I flat out warned them if they ever harass my family again, I would hunt their asses down no matter where they are on this fucking planet. And I would personally bring them to justice after I beat the living shit out of them for terrorizing and making death threats to my family. I'm not going to tolerate that from anybody. You got local politicians out there trying to make it a crime to rehome your pet. You've got terrorists in California working freely under Gavin Newsom's fucking bullshit laws. We want every single pet law in this country reversed, making it illegal for animal control to fucking control anything when it comes to animals, except for when you're committing an actual felony or a crime. We want these people held accountable for the terrorism that they've created. I have personally filed terrorism charges against animal control here in San Bernardino, Riverside. I filed terrorism charges against Animal Action League, all their employees. I filed terrorism charges against every single animal control agent in Riverside County and San Bernardino, all the animal shelter workers, and not one person was ever held accountable for the crap that they pulled on our family. Regardless of the fact that I could prove that who was behind this and have. We want this shit changed. We want it stopped. We want these people arrested. We want Gavin Newsom held accountable for this shit. We want them all brought to justice. And we want new federal laws that protect the goddamn animal rehomers, not animal control, not animal shelter. In fact, we want the employees at these animal shelters thrown in fucking jail for what they've been doing. I mean every last one of them, statewide. I want them all in jail. I want the governor held accountable for the terrorism that these people put in play because of what he did, the laws that he created. These people did this shit deliberately. I want it made illegal that a website cannot block you from trying to rehome or sell your pet as long as you're not an illegal breeder. There has to be proof in a police file that you're an illegal animal breeder before these websites can use that information against you, and they have the right to investigate. This is what we want done. We want these sites to have the right to investigate, and if they refuse, their website gets shut down. It's that simple. We are sick of these people. We are tired of these people fucking terrorizing and turning average homeowners into criminals because they want to rehome their pet. We want all limits on pet fees removed. These people have set a ridiculous limit of $35 rehoming fee in this state. We want that removed. We want that money paid to somebody that's frickin' rehoming their pets to help them along, support that pet to be rehomed. We want the state held responsible for these fees. We want these animal shelters to fucking pay these fees back to all these people. We want all the fees that was extorted by the state of California for pets refunded immediately back to every pet owner in this state. In fact, we want fees for pets removed permanently nationwide. And we want it illegal for any shelter, any state official to charge fees for pets, period, to rehome them. We want all vaccination fees refunded back to the people that they frickin' extorted that money from. We want all of these laws changed. Sure, they can require pets to have vaccinations if they need them. Okay, this mandatory crap, mandated crap, it all needs to be reversed nationwide and made a felony if they put it back in play. We want all of this shit reversed. We want all of these people nationwide held accountable, and we want it done right now before the 2024 election. We want people going to jail for what they have been doing. We want these people that are calling you on robotic numbers to terrorize and stalk you and not buy your pet found. We want them all jailed, okay? We want them all sued for what they've been doing. We want these people to feel every American's pain on a level that you can't even begin to imagine. We want the highest federal charges filed against these people, and we want it done now. We're not tolerating this shit by the Craigslist, by Facebook, by any of these fucking websites that are banning pets. We want it all reversed. We want it criminal if they try to ban you. We want federal charges filed against these websites if they try to ban your pets for any reason. I'm Charles H. Brawley. I'm the creator of the Minuteman Files, and I represent the state of Southern California, and we demand justice. We demand equality. We demand that these pet terrorists be arrested and found. We demand that animal activists that work within animal control be immediately fired and removed. We demand that Animal Action League be shut down and held accountable for straight up fucking terrorism. We want corgi shelters shut down, held for accountable for straight up pet terrorism online. We want Petco, PetSmart, and any other major chain that was involved in this shit shut down, held accountable for terrorism. We want all of these people held accountable, and we want that piece of shit website, the Craigslist, shut down today for fucking terrorism, stalking a U.S. Army National Guard, making death threats. We want this employee at the Craigslist found that was stalking and terrorizing Contact Bigfoots at Gmail. We want these people put in prison and that fucked up website shut down permanently, or we're holding the politicians in Washington, D.C. 100% accountable for terrorism. You have a nice day. I'm Charles H. Brawley. I'm a representative of MAGNA. I'm a representative of Donald Trump and the state of California, and we demand justice and we demand action right freaking now.